Did all started revision?
Yes, I
You are
ready.
doing, yeah, you are doing right and studied. I sent some me.
Yes.
Everybody completed. Which all chapter you revised?
First, second, third.
Third chapter. Till third you completed, no revision. So I will ask. Can I ask the question? Everybody studied?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So fill in the
Yes.
blanks. How we will get the questions? Hindi शब्द लिखो, शब्दार्थ लिखो. Do you know what is that? Hindi शब्द means क्या है? Write the Hindi.
In the blanks.
Hindi शब्द लिखो means fill in the blanks. Hindi शब्द means write the Hindi words. Okay. और शब्दार्थ लिखो. What is meaning शब्दार्थ? You studied some English meaning now, some words. So shabdarth means meaning, word meanings. Okay. When I will ask shabdarth likho, you can write the word meaning. You can write in English. Okay. Then next is pura karo. Pura karo means kya hai? Complete the sentence.
Morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine. So pura karo means complete the sentence. Okay. If it is vakya pura karo, yeah, shabdon ko pura karke likho. Write the complete the words. Okay, children. That all you know. Uttar likho. What is meaning uttar likho?
Write the answer.
Write the answer. Okay. And we learn sangya or kriya shabd, no? Kriya shabd. Kya hai sangya shabd? Forget everybody. Noun or kriya shabd. What is kriya? Action word. Naming word. Sangya shabd means naming. Children listen. Sangya shabd means naming words or kriya shabd means kya hai? Action.
Action word.
Kriya means verb. So kriya shabd means kya hai? Action word. So when I will ask kriya shabdon ko chunkar likho, what you will write? You have to find and write the
Answer.
Kriya shabd means kya hai? You have to find which one? Verb. Okay. Sangya shabdon ko chunkar likho ya sangya shabdon par gola lagao. How you will do? You have to circle the naming words. Naming words. Sangya shabd. Sab batao sangya shabd means kya hai? Naming. Naming words. Kriya shabd means kya hai? Kriya. Kriya, how it will become noun? Kriya, verb. We will do some practice now. Okay. So those who studied, somebody told they completed the revision chapter number 2, 3, and 4. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Then I completed full.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Please mute your audio.
Completed full chapter.
Okay, children, please mute. Let me ask some questions. Please mute your audio after we will start revision. What is the word? Boy, Hindi word क्या है? Div. Boy का Hindi word हमने क्या पढ़ा? कैसे लिखेंगे boy का Hindi शब्द? बालक. Very good. राम कहाँ गया? Durga. What is the answer? Ram कहाँ गया? What you will write? Ram कहाँ गया? Answer बताओ. Srived बताओ. I can't hear you, Durga. Srived, Ram कहाँ गया? We studied Anki. Padshala. Did you study that word? Padshala. Yes. How to write? Okay. No. I told write and study this Padshala question answer. I will send today. Okay. Those who, Padshala spelling you don't know? Srived? Yes. Okay. We will write now. Okay. Chacha kya laya? Diya Jibu. Can you say the answer? Chacha kya laya? Diya. What we learn? Chacha kya laya?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Okay. तो अद्वैत बताओ.
Ma'am, can you? Yes, ma'am.
अद्वैत बताओ. चाचा क्या लाया?
Chacha.
आंसर क्या है?
Chacha chata laya.
Yeah, very good. Chacha chata laya. So many did not completed revision. I send that. Read it and write and study that. Ram पाठशाला गया. वो पाठशाला गया. अपना पाठ पढ़ा. Ram 8 साल का लड़का था. Forget everything. So open your rough book, everyone. We will start revision.
Yes, ma'am.
Take your rough book, everyone. Who told Padishala? Forget how to write Padishala, children. Ram kahan gaya? Then answer. What is the answer? Padishala. तो कैसे आ की मात्रा भूल गई सब? आ की मात्रा कैसे लिखेंगे? ये है ना आ की मात्रा. तो राम पाठशाला गया. This is the answer now. राम पाठशाला गया. पाठशाला गया. Write it 2 times. You have to repeat 2 times. Yeah, revise. राम पाठशाला गया. Question क्या है? राम कहाँ गया? 2 times only enough. Okay, after the class, write it 3 more times. Those who did not write and study, 2 times you can write.
Ma'am, I write and study.
They can write to copy it 1 time. Those who know the spellings. Ram Padshala gaya. Ram kahan gaya? Ram Padshala gaya. चाचा क्या लाया? The next question. क्या है चाचा क्या लाया? चाचा छाता लाया. छाता. छाता means क्या है?
चाचा छाता लाया.
छाता हमने क्या पढ़ा? छाता का मतलब क्या है?
अम्ब्रेला.
छाता अम्ब्रेला. चाचा क्या लाया? चाचा छाता लाया. विनय की मात्रा words. Children, when we are sending the message, you should write it. Okay. राम पाठशाला गया. चाचा छाता लाया. Read and write.
राम पाठशाला गया.
Please mute children. Those whose audio is. Please mute that. Okay. Chacha छाता लाया. रेयान, नाक means क्या है? नाक.
Nose.
Nose. कान means क्या है? कान.
Ear.
Ear. हाथ.
Hand.
ताला means ताला.
Lock.
बालक. Who is बालक?
Boy.
वेस का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? वेस.
Gamla.
So after completing this, all should read that 3 times. Naak, nose. Tala, lock. Kaan, ear. Bhalak, boy. Hath, hand. Gamla. Page number 6, your Aki Matra chapter. Okay, Aki Matra.
First chapter.
First chapter. First no, third chapter, part 3.
Okay.
Completed this Ram Padishala Gaya?
No,
2 times.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No. No. Nose. Can't. I'm finished.
Those who finish what I told, read that Gar, Sadak. After completing Aki Matra words, take page number 4. Page number 4.
4. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Part 2. Bina Matra ke shabd. What is Bina Matra? Bina Matra means क्या है? There we cannot use any Matra. There is A. So only A. First A sound will be there. Okay. That is Bina Matra. पहला वर्ड क्या है? घर. घर का मतलब क्या है? घर क्या है? घर.
House.
Road. Okay, you read. No need to say the answer. Sadak, road. Sadak, road.
Magar, crocodile, kasrat,
Okay, 1 minute. You are reading together. It will be very difficult to. 1 minute. Who will read? Abdul Nahan, please read. Read that. fourth chapter. Read the words. Listen the spelling and read, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Kitab, book.
No, page number 4. 4. Bina matra ke shabd. Abdul.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Dar, house.
Ah.
Sadak, road.
Ah.
Gat, letter.
Ah.
Magar, crocodile.
Ah.
Kasrat, exercise.
Ah.
Katal, jackfruit.
Kadhal. So what is kadhal means? Kadhal kaise likhenge kadhal? Jackfruit. Write it 2 times. Kadhal. Kasrat. Kasrat. क्या है कसरत means exercise. कसरत करना. कसरत करना. Exercise करना. कसरत और कटहल. कटहल. और रोड हिंदी वर्ड क्या है? सड़क. 3 letter word मैंने लिखा है इधर. और मगर. मगर means crocodile. मगर. ये 3 letter word. घर खत. Simple one. 2 letter is used. Gha plus ra. Ghar. Ghat. Okay. That is easy. This word write it 2 times. Kadhal, kasrat, sadak, magar. All read and write. Read it and write. Kadhal. पहला word क्या है? kadhal.
Kadal,
Kasrat.
magar.
Sa. Sadak. Sadak. Right. Kadhal, kasrat, sadak, magar. Dev, are you writing? Dev, read and write. Kadhal, kasrat, sadak, magar. Listen the spelling. Deva, are you writing or not? Dev, yeah, completed your writing. Yes, completed. Okay. Okay, do you all?
Yes,
You finish?
no.
Then do fast. Read and write. Kadhal, kasrat, sadak, magar. Rayan completed. Rayan Rafi. You completed 2 times. Read the word. Read.
Ram Pathshala gaya.
Oh, nahi. Page number 4. Now this word, kadhal, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
तो पढ़ो. Read the word.
I am taking the textbook.
Textbook open करके रखो. जोधा, आपने complete किया? A word.
जी हाँ.
Okay, तो देखो पेज नंबर 5 में वो सेंटेंस पढ़ो. अमल.
अमल गर्चल अपचल नटखट मटकर सड़क पर मत टहर.
Very good. अमल गर्चल. बाकी read.
घर house सड़क road gut letter मगर crocodile कसरत exercise कटहल jackfruit.
Okay, now dash garchal. कौन garchal? What is the answer?
अमल गर्चल.
Okay, dash mat kar.
निकट मत कर.
Dash par mat chahar.
सड़क पर मत चढ़.
Okay, now page number 7. Okay, after completing this, take page number 7. We just revising this all.
Ma'am, I took.
Some are writing. Let them to complete. Children, only 2 times listen and write the spellings. Okay, kadhal, kasrat, sadak, magar. Magar. Which letter is used?
Which page?
You have page number 7. After completing, you can take page number 7. Aradhya, did you complete it? Kadhal and all? Aradhya, Dilish. Aradhya, unmute. Aradhya, why you are not unmute, Aradhya?
She didn't unmuting.
What happened?
I don't know.
Every day it's happening. When I will ask her name, she is not ready. Darshit, unmute. Darshit, unmute karo. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Darshit, take page number 7. Did you see that अक्षरों को मिलाकर लिखिए?
Yes.
Read
I
that. ना, not. कौन सा word है वो? जो कर
Dada.
वो नहीं. Last one. Third. अक्षरों को मिलाकर लिखिए. Join and write the letter. Make it meaningful word.
A plus ta plus ka.
क्या है word? Word क्या है?
नाटक.
नाटक. नाटक और नाटक. कैसे लिखेंगे वो? नाटक. स्पेलिंग देखो, आ की मात्रा है और नाटक ड्रामा नाटक. और द नेक्स्ट वर्ड पढ़ो. नेक्स्ट वर्ड
प्लस आ प्लस ना प्लस आ प्लस बा.
क्या है वो? तालाब. तालाब मीन्स क्या है? रीड. नो नीड टू राइट, जस्ट रीड. ओके. तालाब. पॉन्ड. दिस वर्ड नो नीड टू राइट, जस्ट रीड. नाटक, तालाब. नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है?
का प्लस गा प्लस जा. कागज.
कागज. द डॉट है ना तो जा पढ़ेंगे वो. कागज. क्या है वो? कागज. हेवन जरा पढ़ो. रीड दैट वर्ड्स. 3 वर्ड्स, circled words. Read.
Plus a plus.
No need to read plus. Read the word. Word only. Now I completed here.
नाटक.
Natak. Next word.
तालाब.
Or next.
कागज.
Kagas. Natak, talab, kagas. William, read. William, read.
नाटक तालाब
kagas. If you don't know that spelling, you can write ka-ga-us. Very easy. You have to join and write. Ka के साथ आ की मात्रा गा और जा जोड़ने से क्या बना? कागज. आंसर क्या है? कागज. कागज पेपर. क्या है इसका मतलब? पेपर. और नाटक मीन्स ड्रामा और तालाब मीन्स पॉन्ड. ओके. Yeah, read that words once again. Diol pado. Read. Diol. Read this all words. Circled word. No, Diol. Read this circled one. Now we learn. No. Na.
नाटक.
Natak. Talab. Kagas. Okay, very good. Those who don't know the spelling, they can write it one time. Okay. And study the spelling.
Study all.
This all holidays I send the revision. Samma did not completed. If you free, you can write and study at any time. Okay, because your exam is on 6th, no? Hindi, no, 1st October. Hindi exam is 1st October. Note that 1st October date I told. Okay. First exam is Malayalam, that I know. Okay, after that Hindi. So take in between, I will send you how to write and study accordingly. We will not get the period, but you can write it. Who is using the board?
I'm John.
Okay. Now take page number E ki matra 4. Sorry, not E ki matra. That is badi ki matra. Choti ki matra. Take page number 9. Part 4. E ki matra. Choti ki matra. Kitab, book. Srived padho. Srived. Read that words. Page number 9 में E की मात्रा कितने words हमने पढ़ा है? Read. Srived. Unmute. Unmute Srived. Unmute करो. Srived, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read that? Choti की मात्रा words पढ़ो.
नाटक.
Srived, can you hear me? Kitab. नारियल. तकिया. चिड़िया. पहिया. वेरी गुड. किताब. क्या है किताब? श्रीवेद. बुक. फार्मर. हु इज फार्मर? हिंदी वर्ड क्या है फार्मर? किसान. ओके. कोकोनट का हिंदी वर्ड? नारियल. पिल्लो. तकिया. स्पैरो.
चिड़िया.
Wheel.
पहिया.
Pahiya. Very good. Now Aditi. Yeah, John read. Aditi will read after. John, read the word. Listen the spelling and read. Okay. Okay.
किताब. बुक. किसान. फार्मर. नारियल. कोकोनट.
Coconut. Okay.
तकिया.
Takiya.
पिलो.
Pillow. Pillow. Takiya. Pillow.
चिड़िया.
Yeah. Chidiya. Who is Chidiya? Sparrow. Yeah. Chidiya means what we learn.
तकिया.
Pahiya. Pahiya. Wheel. क्या है? Pahiya. Okay. So लिखो नारियल. कैसे लिखेंगे नारियल? देखकर लिखो नारियल. Write it 2 times. Nariyal. Write it 2 times. Okay. Nariyal. Spelling you have to study. Okay. If you know early, but when the question will come, it will be confused for you which spelling is correct. So nariyal. छोटी की मात्रा हमेशा लेक्चर के पहले आती है. Okay. You know, note it. Nariyal. Ra. Before the ra. We will add e की मात्रा. Nariyal. Chidiya. Chidiya. Chidiya.
चिड़िया.
Yeah, word. Chidiya. Nariyal.
Ma'am, write in 2 times. Nariyal and
2 times
चिड़िया.
is enough. Yeah, 2 times is enough now.
Am I right answer?
Nariyal. Chidiya.
नारियल. चिड़िया.
Chidiya. Bagiya means क्या है बच्चों? Bagiya. Did anybody remember Bagiya?
बागिया. बास्केट. बागिया. गार्ड.
Garden. Basket means क्या
Garden.
है? Basket is another word.
Garden.
Bagiya.
Forgot.
Basket का हिंदी word क्या है? Dahlia. Don't forget. Okay,
Dahlia
Dahlia.
basket.
Yeah,
Dahlia
Dahlia
basket.
basket. Bagiya. Garden. Dahlia basket. Pahiya. Pahiya means क्या है? Wheel. Pahiya. Yeah, Kisan Kitab and all you studied from 2nd standard onwards. That's why I'm not giving. You should write here. Pahiya. Takiya. Takiya. 2 times is enough. Jaldi jaldi likho. Meaning you should read and write. Nariyal. Chidiya. Bagiya. Takiya. Pahiya. Dahlia. Vaiga. Did you completed Vaiga? Please read this all words from E ki matra. Choti ki matra.
नारियल.
Nariyal. Coconut. Next word. Chi.
Ma'am, your camera has some problem.
You can read some chatting box. I am taking revision. Somebody is chatting that time. That means we are not.
Can you chat disable?
Yeah. I did. You are not ready to write and study. You are chatting. Children. This spelling you will not get when the exam. For October 1st is your exam. You have to write and study the spelling. So listen the spelling. Okay. Takiya. Vaiga, are you reading? Vaiga. Meda. Read the words. Choti ki matra. Nariyal. Chidiya. Bagiya. Please mute. Who is that? Please mute. Takiya. Takiya. क्या है? Takiya. Pillow. Then pahiya. Wheel. Dahlia. क्या है Dahlia? Basket. Spelling देखकर पढ़ो. Okay. Ayush. Read. Ayush पढ़ो.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Nariyal.
चिड़िया.
Bagiya. 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 क्या है bagiya? बगिया इज बास्केट। बगिया मीन्स क्या है?
गार्डन।
हाँ, विनय बगिया गया, बगिया गया, विनय वेंट टू द गार्डन, गार्डन। ओके, हाँ नेक्स्ट,
तकिया।
तकिया, ई छोटी ई
तकिया।
है, तकिया। नेक्स्ट, प
पहिया।
पहिया,
पहिया।
पहिया, पहिया, व्हील, क्या है पहिया मीन्स?
व्हील।
व्हील। और ड डली,
दलिया।
डलिया, क्या है?
दलिया।
डलिया, या
डलिया।
डलिया, डलिया मीन्स क्या है?
मास।
बास्केट, करेक्ट, बास्केट, डलिया, बास्केट। और रविवार, व्हाट इज मीनिंग रविवार?
संडे।
रविवार का मतलब क्या है? संडे। तो रविदास का दिंदा हमने पढ़ा, रविवार का धिंदा। दिन
दिंदा।
मीन्स क्या है? दिन का मतलब क्या है?
डे।
दिन मीन्स
डे।
डे। ओके, जस्ट कॉपी, रविवार का दिंदा। विनय क्या लाया? विनय डलिया पर, विनय
बगिया गया।
बगिया गया, और बगिया से विनय ने डलिया पर क्या लाया?
नारियल लाया।
डलिया भर नारियल लाया,
नारियल लाया।
नारियल लाया, नारियल, नारियल लाया। विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया। रविवार का दिन था, विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया, विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया. We can identify from this संख्या शब्द. This is a sentence. It's given विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया. Arav, can you say which is naming words? नाम वाले शब्द इसमें we discussed one time. You have to circle the संख्या शब्द. Can you say? विनय, व्यक्ति के नाम विनय. Very good. One more. डलिया. डलिया मीन्स क्या है?
बास्केट।
हाँ, ये संख्या शब्द है, ये एक वस्तु का नाम है, तो डलिया. ओके, जोकिम, कैन यू से वन मोर? वन मोर संख्या शब्द है इसमें, और एक संख्या शब्द. जोकिम.
Yes, ma'am.
Now विनय is a व्यक्ति, so विनय is a संख्या. Who told? Now next, डलिया. डलिया also a noun, संख्या शब्द है. Okay, संख्या. Then नारियल, भर, भर नारियल लाया. Did you find any more word? जोकिम, बताओ नेमिंग वर्ड्स.
विनय बगिया गया और विनय नारियल लाया.
या विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया. दिस इज ए क्वेश्चन आंसर. विनय डलिया भर क्या लाया? Did you remember? विनय डलिया भर क्या लाया? तो विनय डलिया भर क्या लाया? आंसर क्या है? विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया. So I am asking one more संख्या शब्द. You forgetting that संख्या means क्या है? माधव बताओ. Can you say one more noun in the sentence? Unmute करो, unmute करो. You cannot unmute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. क्या बात है? माधव, you can unmute. Okay. Did you see? संख्या मीन्स क्या है माधव? संख्या. Please mute. Who is that? Somebody is small.
John.
John, please mute. Okay. Okay, माधव बताओ. संख्या मीन्स नेम. ओके, किसका? किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या भाव के नाम को, प्राणियों के नाम को. सो यू कैन फाइंड वन मोर नाउन नो हियर. कैन यू से विच इज दैट? दर्शित बताओ. दर्शित नो?
यस मैम.
वन मोर संख्या शब्द इज देयर. किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान. डिड यू फॉरगेट? वस्तु, एनी वस्तु का नाम है.
पाठशाला.
Yeah, I am asking this sentence. विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया. I circled 2 nouns. Okay. आरव ने बताया.
विनय डलिया भर नारियल लाया. मैम can Jodha tell?
Yeah, जोधा टेल.
नारियल.
या नारियल. नारियल भी एक वस्तु का नाम है ना, तो नारियल भी संख्या शब्द है ना. This we done, we completed when I told you संख्या.
Vinay.
Okay, completed. Vinay Dalia Bhar Nariyal Laya. Vinay Dalia Bhar क्या लाया? Vinay Dalia Bhar Nariyal लाया.
Vinay bagiya gaya.
Yeah, Vinay kahan gaya? That question I will ask. Then what you have to write? Vinay bagiya gaya. There the answer. Vinay bagiya gaya. You have to listen the question. Okay. Vinay kahan gaya? Vinay bagiya gaya. Vinay Dalia Bhar क्या लाया? Vinay Dalia Bhar Nariyal लाया. Okay. Okay. Now, Muhammad Ilham. Can you read? Abdul Nahan get the chance. Oh. Abdul Hadi is there. Abdul Hadi. Can you read, Abdul? Page number 9. E ki matra sentence. Choti ki matra. Vinay Revivar ka dinda.
Kitab.
No need to read words. Read the sentence. Revivar.
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 Ki.
Ka. Revivar ka dinda.
Dinda.
Vinay.
Vinay.
कहाँ गया विनय? Abdul Hadi, I can't see you. Why your camera is off? Vinay, you do you have textbook, Abdul?
Yes, ma'am.
Then read from there. Textbook देखकर पढ़ो. Vinay bagiya gaya. Abdul listen. Santino will read. Santino read. Page number 9. Santino.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Aditya KB is there. Unmute. Sishan Salim.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishikesh, unmute.
Mama. Vinay. Vinay. Talia.
Bagiya.
Gaya. Laya.
Na.
Vinay. Gaya.
Bagiya gaya. Nariyal.
Nariyal. Laya.
Gir gaya. Daliya bhar. Daliya bhar. Nariyal. Laya. Okay, Sarah padho. Sarah.
Vinay bagiya gaya. Nariyal gir gaya. Daliya bar nariyal laya.
Okay, very good. The next day you have to do E ki matra revision. Okay, I will send that machli because we don't have tomorrow class. I will send it. Machli, bakri, imli, that words. Okay. Or aaj Neena ki didi ki shaadi hai. Now I will show you some kind of questions. Children listen. Now I am going to give some. Did all completed this? Everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will show. I will give some question. Okay, from grammar part. We can do that. Children listen. Here I will write. You have to circle the kriya shabd. Okay, kriya shabdon par gola lagao. You find and write the kriya shabd. Okay, kriya shabd means kya hai, children? Kriya shabd. What is kriya shabd?
Naming word.
Kriya. Kriya means
Verb.
kriya means verb, not naming words. Okay. So देखो first question. Meena नाच रही है. Meena नाच रही है. From the sentence you have to find the kriya shabd.
Now
Now you remember naachna. So no need to write. Just listen, children. No need to copy this. You will not complete. You should listen the question. Okay. And just say the answer. Okay, you have to circle the verb. Kriya shabdon par gola lagao. That means you have to circle the verb. Verb means kya hai? Kriya. Kya hai? Kriya. Okay. So, बंदर पेड़ पर बैठा है. बंदर पेड़ पर बैठा है. इसमें कौन सा है?
बेटा.
Yeah, beta
Beta.
hai. Bandar is not a verb. Bandar is a noun. Okay. So beta hai. Kriya shabd means baitna, chalna, udhna, likhna, padhna. We studied now. Kriya action words.
Yes.
Kriya means क्या है बच्चों? Action words. So you have to circle only that action words. Find and write the action words. Ramo आम खा रहा है. आम खा रहा है. इसमें कौन सा है वर्ब? खा रहा है. You should listen. Kriya means verb. Kriya shabd means action words. Then you have to find the verb action words. Okay. So you have to circle action words.
Do we want to write this?
No. It's
No,
there
no,
in
no.
your workbook. You can study from there. Okay. Workbook you can read and you can do that. We studied baitna, chalna, rona, ghelna. Completed now in the workbook. Send and give the notes also. So you have to do this. This kind of questions will come. From the sentence, you have to find the kriya shabd, action words. Okay, you read the question properly and write the answer. The next question, sankhya shabdon par. When I will ask sankhya shabd, you have to find and write noun. Okay, sankhya means क्या है? Noun. अब देखो राम पाठशाला गया. When I will give this पाठशाला गया, you studied sentence पाठशाला गया. How you will find the noun? Ram is a व्यक्ति का नाम है, person name. So you can circle that. Pathshala is the name of a place where you are going to study. Pathshalas. Okay. You can find like I will give some words also. Second one, when I will give Chamu, yeah, टमाटर. So what you will write? टमाटर. Yeah. इसमें कौन सा है? शामू is a naming word और टमाटर is a vegetable, सब्जियों के नाम है. तो ये शामू और टमाटर is the naming word. Okay. Like question. Okay. You have to find and write the naming words. संख्या शब्द means क्या है? Naming words. The next क्या है? क्रिया शब्द. क्रिया शब्द means क्या है? Verb. Action words. Okay, children. So we have only this much